The little worm who wanted to fly. Wiggles was a little orange worm who loved watching butterflies fly in the sky. One day, I will fly too, he said. One morning, Wiggles met his friend Coco, a cheerful green worm. Let's climb the tall tree, Coco said. That is where our journey begins. Together, they climbed high into the tree and made soft, cozy cocoons. Now we must wait patiently, Coco said. But Wiggles did not like waiting. This is taking too long, he cried. Wiggles came out of his cocoon too early and crawled away. Soon, Coco's cocoon began to glow. Coco came out as a beautiful butterfly with colorful wings. Wiggles watched sadly from below. I gave up too soon, he said. But Wiggles decided to try again. He climbed the tree, made another cocoon, and waited patiently. Days passed. Then Wiggles' cocoon glowed brightly. Wiggles became a beautiful butterfly too. He flew beside Coco through the bright blue sky. Moral: be patient, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like.